Dakota Car Guy. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Adrian. I'm glad to have you as a guest today. And in this episode of Project Dream, we're going to be installing all these bushings piece by piece in full detail so you guys understand how to do it yourself. Stay tuned.
Yeah, that was actually pretty smooth.
So we got a whole bunch of different kinds of bushings here in front of us. The two main differences are going to be these right here. This is a type of polyurethane, plastic, rubber type bushing. The main two different types of bushings we have are polyurethane and metal. Now if you have a Sunday daily driver, polyurethane is definitely going to be the way to go. They're not as rough as metal bushings are. These will definitely give you good feel. So we'll be installing these onto the front control arms. But as far as everything else on the rear, we're changing everything to metal. Alright, so this side's fairly simple. All we have to do on this side is we're just going to flip it onto this flat side. So this is going to be top side here. So top, you're just going to really like compress this guy in there. Just like that and we're done. That's going to be the easiest one right there. I have to compress this side more, but that's basically it. And whatever polyurethane kit you get, you'll probably get a case with this goop. What you want to do with this goop, just take a tiny little bit and just rub it on here. This is just to help to get everything to seat in and stay there. Yeah. Just twist that in. If you're having a hard time getting these in, just take a vise. Just take one of these and good to go. Alright, so before we start with this one, I want to show you guys real quick how it's going to be assembled. So we've got this bushing here. It's pretty stiff, but this does move. And we have these two outer bushings. But as you can see, if you look inside of them, there's this ring in here. And if you flip on both sides, they're actually offset. So this piece is actually going to go inside the short end, like that. So, same thing with this side. Just like that. And then this is going to be pressed into here after we're done throwing this all in. Then we can put these outside pieces on, because when we throw these on, it's going to be out a little bit. And then that's where the bolt is going to go through. And this will be butt up right against the subframe mounts. So after the first bushing for this has been installed, then we have the second bushing for up here. Now sometimes you can swap this one out too, and this has a C-clip that you take out and then press out. I'm not going to be doing that just because this is actually still in good condition. And as soon as we install this top one, we installed the top one and the toe eliminator that goes here on the knuckle. This thing is basically not going to move at all. So that works for me because this is not a rubber, this is like a press and ball joint thing. So the way we're going to install this is on this flat side here, or facing the back of the car, we've got this thin flange on the outside. Now if you buy multiple different bushings, the toe bushing actually has thick outside walls and this is a very thin one. And so that's going to be installed like that and then pressed in. So let's go ahead and press this in. Alright, so we got our rear subframe here, and these are the bushes we're going to be installing. Now this has a top piece on here, and the reason why there's two pieces, and we'll add some anti-seize into this hole too to help kind of lubricate and not get the top piece on here stuck. And so basically what these do is these can pivot a little bit, and allowing this to, you know, flex and move a little as it needs, but still being solid and good. Just guy's gonna get pressed in. Make sure that it's level. Make sure not one side is pressed in more. I actually got this side hammered in. Alright, so now that our toe bushings have been eliminated, we have two of our toe end bushings, which are these here. And these have a very thick, broad edge. And they're going to be sandwiched in there half and half. So one through the top and one through the bottom. And they'll just sandwich in and we'll be done. Look at that, I didn't even actually have to press, I don't even have to press these in, they just fit. Okay. So, and it's okay too, that you don't want these to be like wobbly left and right, they just have to seat in there good. Side actually has a little bit. There's one.
Done.